This is not a coincidence. God sent you here because May is not just another month. It is the month where chains break, doors open, and miracles flow. Listen closely. Declare these 20 godly affirmations over your life every single day. 1. I am a child of the Most High God. You are chosen, precious, and deeply loved. Never doubt it. 2. I am blessed going in and blessed coming out. Deuteronomy 28:6. Wherever you step, favor will follow. Believe it. 3. I walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. Even when you don't see it, God is working behind the scenes. 4. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Isaiah 54:17. Whatever tries to stop you will fall powerless before the Lord. 5. God's grace is sufficient for me. 2 Corinthians 12:9. When you are weak, his strength rises strong within you. 6. The joy of the Lord is my strength. Nehemiah 8:10. No sadness will conquer you. God's joy will overflow in your spirit. 7. I am more than a conqueror through Christ. Romans 8:37. You are not just surviving, you are destined to win. 8. My future is bright because God holds my tomorrow. Jeremiah 29:11. Rest easy, your story is still unfolding into greatness. 9. I will lack no good thing. Psalm 34:10. God will fill your hands with more than you ever dreamed. 10. The Lord is fighting my battles. Exodus 14:14. You are not alone. He is waging war for your victory right now. 11. I am healed by his stripes. Isaiah 53:5. Pain will not have the last word. Healing is your portion. 12. I have peace that surpasses all understanding. When Philippians chaos roars, your heart will remain unshaken. 13. I am surrounded by favor as a shield. Psalm 5:12. God's favor will open doors you didn't even knock on. 14. Doors of blessings are opening for me. Revelation 3:8. Get ready, new beginnings are about to burst forth. 15. I am fruitful and I multiply. Genesis 1:28. Everything you touch will flourish and bear fruit. 16. God is restoring what was stolen from me. Joel 2:25. Loss is not your final chapter. Restoration is on its way. 17. I am crowned with glory and honor. Psalm 8:5. You were never meant to live in shame. Your crown is waiting. 18. I am fearless because God is with me. Isaiah 41:10. No fear will grip you. His hand is holding you steady. 19. Goodness and mercy are chasing after me. Psalm 23:6. Blessings are not just coming, they are running toward you. 20. God's plans for me are greater than my dreams. Ephesians 3:20. What's coming is bigger, better, and more beautiful than you imagined. Speak these words, declare them boldly, because May will not be just another month. It will be your season of breakthrough, abundance, and unstoppable joy. The heavens are open. Your blessing is already written in God's hand. Just believe and watch him move.